The state BJP is all set to take up the vexed issue of interstate boundary row with Assam at the party level. This was stated by Meghalaya Health Minister and state BJP leader A.L. Hek. Hek, however, said that the Assam BJP and party leaders are currently busy for elections and it will be difficult to get their time, but as soon as they are available, talks will be held on the issue. He also stated here that they had discussed the issue and have decided to highlight it to the Union Home Minister Amit Shah during his visit to Shillong on January 23rd. Well, viewers, it may be mentioned here that upteen numbers of chief ministerial level talks and chief secretary level talks have been held on the issue and yet the solution remains elusive. Border skirmishes have become a common phenomenon and the worst sufferers are the border populace.
This is a claim and counterclaim from the both sides, both from the Meghalaya side and also from the Assam side. Until unless now there's no negotiation, no discussion from party to party except the government to government. So under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, yesterday also we had our discussion, particularly for the border issue in the Chief Minister's office with all the alliance partners. They were present in the meeting. And we take up this with the Amit Shah and on his visit to Shillong on the 23rd of January. On the 23rd of January, he is coming to Shillong and Honorable Union Home Minister C. Amit Shah ji and the government as the MDA and the cabinet, we are going to take up this issue. That is, yesterday we had that discussion meeting in CM's office to take up with the government of India and also with the counterpart of Assam. We will take it up, why not? But now they are all busy for the election. There's difficult to, to get their time now, their time. Assam BJP will not have time now because all of them are busy for this ensuing elections.
But then you'll take it up.
Huh?
But you'll take it up.
Why not? That is obviously we'll take it up here.
Meanwhile, Hek also informed that a few sitting MLAs, former MLAs and prominent leaders from the state have approached the BJP to join their fold. While refraining to disclose any names, Hek said that talks are on and their joining the BJP is likely to happen soon. He also stated here that all of these people are from winnable constituencies.
Numbers of the state prominent leaders. What numbers of them? They have approached me. They have approached the BJP state president. So they are ready to join the BJP, but not immediately. But the name is already been there in the list, but we cannot disclose it right now because there's not the right time to disclose the name. But all are the prominent leaders of the state.
How many such leaders, sir?
If you see from all over the state of Meghalaya, we are getting these prominent leaders from all the districts, and particularly from the winnable constituency.
All are
Sitting legislator also few are there, but the ex-MLA are many, and the prominent leaders are many.
Well, the state BJP had earlier also claimed that the party has already received feelers from some of the opposition Congress MLAs to merge with the BJP. Hek had then made it clear that the party is concerned about the anti-defection law as the Congress MLAs should get the required numbers, otherwise they will be attracting the provisions of anti-defection law. The BJP in the last assembly elections won only 2 seats of the 40 seats which it contested.